Hello, my name is Wairimu and I really like to learn about the world. In school, I recently started learning about how living things get sick, and I'm also learning about the different things that cause sickness. These are things like microbes, and microbes means bacteria and viruses and fungus and amoeba and even parasites. I also like to learn about insects and plants. So I decided to show other kids like me about what I was learning. So my mom and my dad introduced me to their friends Mutaramu Grace and Mr. Kimani and Miss Kathy. I went and I asked them if I could have a show called TAŭKIRWO Kids. They usually teach in English and Kikuyu. Na niĩ rĩmwe nĩ njaragia Gĩkũyũ. So they said yes. And so now I have a show called TAŭKIRWO Kids.